Hi all, it's Yunus Usta. The crypto world is booming like never before, and the potential for incredible returns is undeniable. But along with the opportunities come countless people looking to exploit others. Let's talk about how to stay safe. It's crucial to be aware of these scams because some of them are surprisingly hard to spot. That's why today we're diving deep into the top 5 crypto scams you need to watch out for and how to protect yourself. So, let's get started and make sure you're equipped to navigate the crypto space safely and securely. Alright, first up, let's talk about phishing scams. These often involve scammers trying to trick you into giving up your private keys or login credentials. You might get a fake email that looks like it's from your exchange, like Coinbase or Binance, telling you to click a link to reset your password. Or, you might get a message on Telegram or Discord from someone claiming to be from a project you're interested in. But here's the thing, these are all traps. The links they send are fake, and if you enter your information, you're handing over the keys to your crypto kingdom to a scammer. So, how do you protect yourself? Always double-check the URL of any website before you enter your info, and never, ever share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. Next up, we've got fake giveaways, which are everywhere these days, especially on social media. They've even started altering genuine Elon Musk interviews, making it seem like he's promoting fake giveaways. These deepfakes are becoming harder and harder to spot. You've probably seen these scams before, tweets from Elon Musk, or posts from Vitalik Buterin promising to double your crypto if you send them a small amount first. Don't fall for it. As you probably know, 99.99% of the time, these giveaways are completely fake. The accounts are usually impersonating these famous figures, and their goal is to trick you into sending them your crypto. Always verify social media accounts before you even think about participating in a giveaway. Chapter 3. Rug pulls. Don't get rugged. Basically, a rug pull is when a developer creates a new cryptocurrency or DeFi project, hypes it up to attract investors, and then suddenly disappears with all the funds. These scams can be pretty sophisticated, and they often involve creating a lot of hype around a project's potential, with promises of huge returns. The best way to avoid rug pulls is to do your own research, or die, as we say in the crypto world. If something feels off or too good to be true, trust your gut and stay away. Chapter 4. Ponzi and Pyramid Schemes. Don't get caught holding the bag. These schemes promise high guaranteed returns on your investment, but the reality is, they're just using money from new investors to pay off earlier ones. It's like a game of musical chairs, and eventually the music stops and someone gets left holding the bag. These schemes often rely on recruiting new members, and they might pressure you to bring in your friends and family with promises of big rewards. Always be wary of projects that offer guaranteed returns or rely heavily on recruitment. Be smart, do your research, and don't fall for these scams. Chapter 5. Malware and Fake Wallets. Protect your digital assets. These scams are designed to steal your crypto directly from your devices. You might accidentally download a fake wallet app from a shady website or app store, or you might click on a malicious link that installs malware on your computer. To protect yourself, always download wallets and apps from official websites or trusted app stores. Pay close attention to the app permissions and reviews before you install anything. Stay safe out there. The crypto world is still relatively new, and with any new technology there are always going to be people trying to take advantage of others. But here's the good news. By being aware of these scams and taking some simple precautions, you can dramatically reduce your risk of falling victim. Always use strong passwords and two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys with anyone. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and keep those crypto investments safe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.